Hi friends, we Guruji Ki Gyansala guys are starting new course for computer science and information technology aspirants who are preparing for GATE exam, PSUs and private institutions like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant and like private MNCs. All those who are preparing for such kind of companies and PSUs like IOCL, ONGC, PGCIL, and all those, or any government job like CGPDTM, intelligence officer, uh, like IB, like IBPS, IT officer, or NIC, or ISRO, or Bhabha Atomic Research Center, DRDO, or any kind of government examination, or they are preparing for GATE for pursuing higher education related to MTech and all. We are just offering a program. It consists of like it is covering all the GATE subjects, including doubt sessions, and it is including all preparation material and online test and all everything is included uh, in this program. And the uh, important point is that we are hosting all these sessions on WebEx and live session. We are not giving you that recorded session. So every session will be a live session. It will be a one-to-one interaction with the students, so that they can clear their doubts very well. It is not like other channels or other programs, like they provide you the recorded video and the old video. So we are just making a change. We are just going everything on WebEx, Zoom, or any platform that we will prefer to. It is not decided yet, but yes, uh, all you need a good Android or a laptop in your home and good internet connection, and you are able to get all over these lectures. Yes, it is not free of cost. It costs some money. All the information related to money and timing and size of batch and all will be mentioned on the WhatsApp number that is provided in uh, that is provided on this below this YouTube video. And also I am giving the mobile number for communication, and it is both WhatsApp and call number. You can call and WhatsApp on this number. So this is the number, and if you want to talk to if you want to send any information, you can send on this mail also. It is the mail ID. So these two are the contacts, and it is covering all these subjects. Let's go one by one. So it will cover discrete mathematics 30 hours, digital electronic 12 hours. Okay, so here digital mathematics, it involves the probability part also, like all the mathematics that is there in GATE computer science lecture, all this in this digital mathematics. And then digital electronic 12 hours, computer organization 20 hours, programming 15 hours, analysis design algorithm 18 hours, theory of computation 20 hours, operating system 25 hours, DBMS 25 hours, computer networks 35 hours, because it is with big subject, so we are giving 35 hours to this subject. Compiler design 10 hours, and doubt clearance after each subject 10 hours, 1 hour for each subject. So all this consists of 220 hours, and we are just planning to complete these lectures within 5 to 6 months. So do some hurry, because GATE exam is on the way and other competitive exams are also on the way. So just take a demo lecture. Demo lecture is free of cost. It is in mentioned here uh, that the demo lecture is free of cost, so I am just mentioning here. uh, so demo is free. So demo lecture is free of cost. So student will get the preparation material. Classes will be hosted on WebEx or Zoom. Online quick test will also be there. You will be trained on to crack private PSU and government jobs through CIT. Computer networks, DBMSC and .NET courses are also available. These are actually language courses and some practical courses. These are also available, but with some extra cost, because obviously it will require more effort. So if you are interested, then just WhatsApp or Gmail on these contacts, or you can call also, and it will be beneficial for you, and we will take care of each and every student of whoever joins our course. So hurry, the course will start soon. So I hope you will be there on the course. Thank you.